Hello everyone. The Secretary General of the African National Congress, Mbalula, is under fire for allegedly hiring people together with qwaqwa, the Premier of the Free State, for disturbing the former President Jacob Zuma's event after the MK party has announced that Msholozi will be in qwaqwa. The ANC Secretary General was busy cheating on the X app, mocking Zuma for not showing up in qwaqwa. Little did he know that Zuma had a big surprise for the ANC. He announced that he'll be in qwaqwa. He then ditched that event. Instead, he went to town of qwaqwa and it was packed. The daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma, Mbalula Zuma, posted these images and said, "Thank you Free State, #vote MK 2024. There was also a tweet that was going around on the X app that broke the news that Mbalula and qwaqwa are the people who were planning to mess up the event, and wrote, "Breaking news, Mbalula and the ANC provincial leadership of qwaqwa in the Free State hired people for disrupting Zuma's event. President Zuma got to know and quickly changed the plans. Mbalula must be charged. He was tweeting because he thought Zuma will cancel the event." People reacted on the statement, and one said, "The most crook ANC SG Mbalula, first buying the EFF t-shirt and pay people in the street to wear them, come to a hall and gave ANC one. Paying Nyawope boy to come to Mbombela Stadium with a rip Zuma coffin. Now this is for Umkhonto weSizwe MK party qwaqwa." Someone also said, "This Matanyula is desperate. What is Matanyula? Please let me know in the comment section." Another one disagreed with the statement and said there was just no person to disrupt. qwaqwa people just decided not to attend Zuma event, and he opted to go to the taxi rank to meet his taxi drivers. qwaqwa people rejected MK party, finish and clear. No amount of lies will change that. Another one also said, "Msholozi, President Jacob Zuma, if they want to understand you, they must know you first, because they cannot understand what they do not know. Most people think they know you, but get puzzled when you surprise them. If only the ANC can behave as the EFF, minding its own, cause kunzima." A lot of things were said in the X app about Zuma and his party. Someone also said, "So Jacob Zuma's MK party booked a hall in qwaqwa knowing that the ANC will sabotage the event, and then they went to other places where the ANC had no spy deployed. Kodwa bakithi, what Jacob Zuma is doing to Mbalula is not right." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.